Hello students, in this video I intend to teach you output units, output devices of computer system. Students, first I want to tell you about output unit. Output units or output devices are responsible for producing output. Example: monitor, printer, speaker, projector, etc. In this first slide, I want to discuss monitor. Monitor is also known as visual display unit, VDU. Now, definition. The monitor, popularly known as a screen, is the most common device for displaying the output. Most common device for displaying the output. Types of monitor: CRT, LCD, LED, OLED. These are types of monitor. This monitor is CRT monitor. CRT, cathode ray tube. LCD, liquid crystal display. LED, light emitting diode. And OLED, organic light emitting diode. These are types of monitor. Types of graphics card. Graphics cards helps to display clear picture on the screen. Types of graphic card: VGA, video graphics array; SVGA, super video graphics array; UVGA, ultra video graphics array; EGA, enhanced graphics array; HGA, Hercules graphic adapter. Okay. Now, projector. A projector is an output device that can take images generated by a computer, reproduce them by projection onto a screen, wall, or another surface. Example: it is used to show a presentation on a large screen so that everyone in the room can see it. Project a computer screen to teach a class in a school. Okay. In our school, in a smart class, there is a projector for displaying the output on the whiteboard, on the smart whiteboard. Now, printer. Printer is also output device, and in this picture you can see I have classified printer in different category. On the basis of printing mechanism, printer is divided in two categories: impact, non-impact. In impact technology, there are two types of printer: line printer and character printer. Line printer example: line printer and chain printer. Character printer: daisy wheel printer and dot matrix printer. Non-impact printer example: laser, inkjet, plotter, thermal printer, laser printer. Now, difference between impact and non-impact printer. There is close contact between paper and printing head. Close contact between paper and printing head. There is no close contact between paper and printing head. It produces noise while printing. It does not produce noise while printing. Printing quality is not so good. Printing quality is good. Printing cost cheap. Printing cost is costly. Printing is costly. Means in this printer, per page printing cost is high. And in impact technology, per page printing cost is low. Printing quality measured in DPI, dot per inch. A speed of character printer measured in character per second, CPS. A speed of line printer measured in line per minute. Speed of laser inkjet printer measured in page per minute. These are the basic differences of impact and non-impact printer. Okay. Now next, line printer. A line printer is a high speed printer capable of printing entire line of text at once. Entire line of text at once. So this is called line printer. Example, a line printer may be capable of printing over 3000 lines of type per minute. 3000 lines of type per minute. Okay. Ink. In this printer, ink is available on ribbon. Means there is no concept of powder type ink. There is no concept of liquid ink. Means ink is available on a ribbon. Now character printer. Character printer will print one character at a time instead of one line at a time. Character printer. Character printer print one character at a time instead of one line at a time. So name is character printer. Today these printers are rarely used because of a speed issue. Because only text is capable of being printed. By this printer we can print text only. Ribbon. Ink is available on ribbon. Same as line printer. Inkjet printer. Now, the most popular printer for home computer user that prints by spraying stream of quick drying ink on paper. The ink is stored in disposable ink cartridge, and often separate cartridge is used for each of major colors. These colors are usually CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow and black. Basically there are 4 small tanks for these 4 colors CMYK. The picture is an example. The picture is an example of computer inkjet printer. Ink type liquid. This is also called photo printer. You can see laser printer. If you only need to print document like a Word document, Excel spreadsheet or web page, the basic laser printer is good option. Laser printer at the lower end of the price scale are only black and white. There are color laser printer as well, but they have a higher price tag, often several times higher. Ink technology, powder ink. In laser printer, there is concept of heavy laser beam for printing on the paper. So this is called laser. Laser is a type of beam. This printer is commonly used in home and offices. Okay. Plotter. Plotter. A plotter is a computer hardware device much like a printer that is used for printing vector graphics. Instead of toner, plotter use a pen, pencil, marker, another writing tool to draw multiple continuous lines onto paper rather than a series of dots. Like a traditional printer that used for printing vector graphics. Instead of toner, plotter use a pen, pencil, marker or another writing tool to draw multiple continuous lines onto paper rather than a series of dots like a traditional printer. It is widely used for computer-aided design (CAD). It is basically used for printing big map, large map. It is used printing large map and architectural design. Okay, now next, flex printer, non-impact printer. Flex printer is also type of non-impact printer. It is widely used for printing flexes and banner. This flex printer is very popular nowadays for printing flexes for advertising products. This is flex machine. Now I want to repeat this. Printer. There are two types of printer, impact printer or non-impact printer. On the basis of printing mechanism. See the diagram. Difference between impact and non-impact printer. These are differences. Line printer, impact printer. Character printer, impact printer. Inkjet printer, non-impact printer. Laser printer, non-impact printer. Plotter, non-impact printer. Flex printer, non-impact printer. Thank you for watching this video.